Nasise ita iukoshishiwai mamawa. This is Gaelic Mystic. This is a lesson in seeing with your soul and your spirit, not your eyes. Recently, for the past couple of years, people see me as a white woman or as a Weda if they're Latino. I am Cherokee and I am Irish. My blood is not of one blood. My soul and my spirit are of many spirits and of many souls. Those past, those now, and those future. Learn to quit looking with your eyes. Look with your soul. Listen to your spirit. Let your spirit guide you. Let your soul speak the truth. For your eyes show you a falsehood. Your eyes deceive you and trick you. Learn to listen to your soul. Let your spirit guide you. Nasisha inel moa kiyeshoa.